Guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your Faber chimney. Now although this is an auto clean chimney, it still requires some cleaning and maintenance. First things we need to do is remove the oil collection pan by just sliding it out like this and removing the grill by opening the two screws right at the top. As you can see, keep the screws safely, you're going to need them to fix it back. Once you've removed them, the grill will slide down and you can just pull it out. Once you've done that, we'll begin the cleaning process. So as you can see now, I have opened up the front cover, or the bottom cover rather, of the chimney. So this is the part that comes directly above your gas stove, and there are certain parts of this that are very important to clean. One is this whole section that you see here, and then the whole frame, the black color frame that you're seeing here, as well as these bits. So oil and grease gathers at all of these sections, and beyond a point, if you don't clean it, the dirty oil has the possibility of dripping onto the food you're cooking. So to clean this, what you can do is, take some paper towels or a rag cloth that you're not going to need in the future, and just start wiping all of these spots, just as I'm going to do now. Let's go ahead. I'm going to do a quick full wipe, and I'm going to show you what the paper towel looks like after that. So you can see the amount of grease and oil accumulating everywhere. Just keep wiping all of these sections. You can see more and more grease coming in. You can also use a rag cloth instead, so you don't waste too many paper towels. The outer frame, you might need to use some soap water there to clean that, to get rid of the tough grease stains, and also clean this section here. And make sure after the cleaning, for some time, do not use the chimney. Allow it some time to dry, especially on these parts where you're going to clean with the soap water. Do not use water on the inner sections of the chimney. Just on the outside frame is what you can use soap and water for. In the same way, you can also clean the top of the hood with a sponge and some soap water solution. You can use regular dishwash soap that you use for washing your dishes. That is quite effective in getting rid of the grease. You can see how all the grease is just easily and quickly just coming off. Keep doing that for this entire flat section. Next, let's look at how to clean the front or bottom grill and the oil collection pan that we took out earlier. Now this by far is the dirtiest part of the chimney, because all the dust and grease kind of gets filtered here, and it's very easy to clean. All you need to do is take a sponge, some old one that you're not going to use, and throw away. Take some dishwash like Pril or Vim or Exo, anything that you use, and just start rubbing, and look at the grease disappear from the grill. Just keep repeating that. Take the sponge, add some soap, and just watch the grease disappear. Rinse it a couple of times and repeat the steps, and your grill will be as good as new in no time. Once you've cleaned both sides of the grill to the best of your ability, you can leave it on the side to dry. Make sure it's fully dry before you try to put it on again. Next, let's look at how to wash the oil collection pan, and the process is the same. Just take some sponge dipped in soapy solution of Pril or Vim, and just use the rough side of the sponge to clean the oil pan, and in just a few minutes it's going to be squeaky clean and good as new. And look at how clean it is, partly clean, once again as good as new. And again, leave it to dry and don't put it back until it's fully dry. And once everything has been cleaned and all the parts are dry, it's time to reattach all the parts that we dismantled. And the process is just the reverse of how we removed it. First, slide the grill back into the slots, make sure it's aligned perfectly, and then just put the two screws back. You can just screw them in with your hand and then just tighten it so that they don't come loose. If they come loose, then the grill can fall off, so make sure you secure them nice and well. And then you can put the dust pan, or the oil pan rather, back by just sliding it into the two slots like this, and your chimney is all set. And look at how clean and shiny it looks now that it has been cleaned, including the bottom, which looks like it's just been installed. Doesn't look like a chimney that's been used for over a year. Let me know your experience of following these instructions to clean your chimney, and do share your tips, tricks and feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel.